Okay, I feel like this is a great pen to be coming out in October. Today's fountain pen unboxing is the Pelikan M205 Special Edition Moonstone pen, fountain pen and ink set actually. So it comes in your standard, white box, and then you'll have your literature here that includes information about your pen warranty, and then oh, the box even feels nice. It's different than the other box. So this is your Special Edition Classic M205 and Edelstein Ink Moonstone. And there's a little flap here, and you open her up, and it's just beautiful. Look how fun this is. Okay, so start with your ink. So this year's Edelstein ink, Moonstone. It's great. It's a good dark ink. And I still love this ink bottle. It's such a great ink bottle. It's like heavy and solid, and it just looks pretty. Okay, and then we'll pull out our pen. Set our box aside, and it comes in a little bit of a plastic sleeve there. And this is your Special Edition M205 Moonstone. And it's a fairly small pen. Let's see, I'd say a little less than 5 inches when it's capped like this. The cap does unscrew. Posted, I'd say a little less than 6 inches. This is a resin, a gray resin, a light gray resin, dark gray. It's interesting. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it has little sparkly fragments in the resin. It's very cool. I love that. I mean, of course, because it's called the Moonstone, I just immediately thought moon dust. But okay, so that's the material for the pen. It does have a black end cap here with the logo, which is nice. The trim is silver. The clip does have a bit of a stylized edge, if you can see that clearly. And it's pretty springy. It's usable. I like it when my pen elements function. This is a piston filler, and to use the piston filler on this Pelikan, you twist the end of the pen here. If you twist it counterclockwise, you can see the plunger goes down inside the pen, and then when you twist it clockwise, the plunger pulls back into the pen. So if you haven't used this type of fountain pen filling mechanism before, you will go ahead and twist it counterclockwise until the plunger is all the way down before dipping it in your ink, and then you would, while it was in the ink, go ahead and twist it all the way clockwise, and then it will fill with ink. And if you do that and your pen does not fill with ink, you probably just need to dip it a little bit further into the ink so that the nib is submerged enough to pull the ink into the pen. Nice. Once you fill the pen with ink, it's ready to use. And again, I believe I already said it's postable. It's a pretty small pen and it's pretty light, so if you like your pens a little bit on the hefty side, then this probably won't be one of your favorites. But I really love, this is a great pen for anybody who likes, if you like a little bit of sparkly, this has got just a little bit of sparkly going on. And I love the name Moonstone, and I love that it has the little bit of sparkly amidst the very subtle coloring. Because it's not the kind of sparkly that's going to come at you and, draw attention to itself, but it's quite pretty in person. So I hope you get a little bit of an idea of what it looks like in the video, even though that can be hard sometimes to see the finishes on these pens. So again, this is the Pelikan Special Edition Classic M205 Moonstone pen and ink set. So if you need more information, drop by. It's available at penchalet.com. Thanks.